The second question I have, and I think it's important to provide a bit of context around this, we mentioned on the podcast Imam Nawawi and how he fell into issues with the names and attributes of Allah. And you said that the proof had to be as established against him or upon him. And I said, are you really expected to believe that he was calling to Islam for this long and the proof wasn't shown to him? And you said, yeah, I have to believe that. I have to have husnul dhan. The question that's come in here is regarding the comment on Imam Nawawi, rahimahullah, in his Minhaj, when he discusses matters relating to Aqeedah, in which he differs with Ahlul Sunnah on some of these matters, you notice he discusses the opinion of Ahlul Hadith, but he then differs with them. Does this not suggest that the hujjah, the proof, has been made?
Very good question. I was really amazed with that person, mashallah barik. The minhaj that they're talking about here is a sharh of Sahih Muslim. Just to make it clear, because the Imam al-Nawawi has a kitab on the fiqh al-Shafi'i, where he summarized it from the Muharrar of 𝗏𝗏𝗵 al-Rafi'i's kitab, al-Muharrar. That's not the book that the person is talking about here. They're talking about the sharh of Sahih Muslim. It's called al-Minhaj. And it's true, sometimes he mentions mu'taqad Ahl Sunnah, and then he mentions the belief of the Ahl al-Kalam, and then he'll say Ahl al-Hadith believe this. That doesn't mean that the proof was established on him. Because establishing the proof means whatever doubt is with you is removed. And whatever is right is then being told to you. That's what we're talking about here. Just because I know the many views out there doesn't mean the proof has been established on me. And that's what Nawawi didn't receive, rahimahullah ta'ala, iqamatul hujjah. It's that the path is cleared for him. تُبَيَّنَ لَهُ الْمَحَجَّةِ. The path is made clear to him that this is the right way. We don't have that. And Imam al-Nawawi, rahimahullah ta'ala, is an imam haqqan. He was a great imam. And a man like him, if he was informed of what was wrong from what is right, with the sincerity that we see of this great man, the nobility that's in this great man, and Imam al-Nawawi, we know he would have left it.